Samsung showcased a fully automated smartphone manufacturing process at one of its factories in Gumi, South Korea. In these factories, robots play a key role in assembling devices, minimizing human involvement, and significantly speeding up production. After receiving all the necessary components, robots initiate the installation process using automated systems that ensure high precision. Following this, the devices undergo soldering and assembly of the casings, where all parts of the device are connected into a single structure. The most remarkable aspect is that humans are almost entirely absent from the assembly process. Because robots play a crucial role at every stage, factories like the one in Gumi are renowned not only for their production innovations, but also for being important research and development centers, helping Samsung maintain its leadership in the smartphone market. The dexterous Hands RH56DF Tech Series robotic hand from Inspire Robots Company is an advanced solution for use in robotics and prosthetics. It features an innovative linear actuator with 6 miniature servos and 6 built-in pressure sensors. These sensors provide high precision and flexibility in performing complex gripping tasks, mimicking the movements of a human hand. One of the key features of this hand is its 6 degrees of freedom and 12 motorized joints, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements and effectively manipulate objects. The robotic hand supports the robot operating system, making it easier to integrate into robotic systems and enabling its use in complex operations. This model can be utilized both in robots and as prosthetics, providing reliable grip and movement control. Recently, another unique robot named Geminoid DK has resurfaced, originally introduced back in 2011. At the time, the robot amazed everyone not only with its realistic facial expressions, but also with its striking resemblance to Danish professor Henrik Scharf from Aalborg University. Geminoid DK was developed by engineer Hiroshi Ishiguro and his team from the Advanced Telecommunications Research Institute International. What sets Geminoid DK apart from other similar machines is that it has a beard, just like the Danish professor. In fact, the beard and all the other hair were manually implanted and trimmed by the same hairdresser who regularly styles Henrik Scharf. The robot's shoulders, neck, and face are equipped with pneumatic actuators, allowing it to simulate breathing, blink, and change facial expressions. Geminoid DK is designed to study human-robot interaction, particularly the reactions of people when they encounter a robotic version of a real person. Specialists from IHMC Robotics and Boardwalk Robotics have showcased the development process of their advanced robot named Nadia, which according to a recently released video is already honing new boxing skills. The robot is designed to perform tasks in dangerous environments for humans, such as participating in rescue missions or space exploration. According to the developers, Nadia is currently one of the most complex humanoid robots in terms of design. Its 29 joints allow for a wide range of movements. This intricate mechanism is intended so that the operator controlling the robot can act intuitively, without having to think about how to use the manipulators correctly. AJMC Robotics hopes that their creation will serve as a prototype for future robots, and could also be useful for military purposes. Today, the world of robotics welcomed the new player. Chinese company Pudu Robotics unveiled its next-generation humanoid robot Pudu D7. Pudu D7 stands 165 centimeters tall and weighs 45 kilograms. Its arm span is 65 centimeters, making its physical dimensions close to that of a human. The robot has 30 degrees of freedom, which increases to 50 when equipped with dexterous hands, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks requiring high precision and flexibility. The Pudu D7's chassis supports omnidirectional movement with 360-degree rotation, reaching a maximum speed of 2 meters per second. The robot can operate stably on slopes of up to 10 degrees. With a battery capacity of over 1 kilowatt-hour, it can function autonomously for more than 8 hours, making it a reliable assistant throughout a workday. Its bionic arm has a lifting capacity of up to 10 kilograms, with a positioning accuracy of 0.1 millimeters. Pudu D7 is expected to hit the market in 2025. Sanctuary AI Company has showcased progress in the development of its humanoid robot named Phoenix. The robot has learned new skills, such as dusting, sorting objects, brewing coffee, and pouring drinks. It is equipped with a unique AI-driven control system called Carbon, which enables it to demonstrate human-like cognitive abilities. Phoenix stands 170 centimeters tall and weighs 70 kilograms, making it comparable to human size. It can lift loads of up to 20 kilograms and move at speeds of up to 4.8 kilometers per hour. One of its key features is its hands, which have 20 degrees of freedom, making them incredibly flexible and capable of performing delicate manipulation tasks. Thanks to tactile feedback technology, the robot can sense objects much like a human. In terms of applications, Phoenix has already been tested in various scenarios, ranging from packing and sorting goods to labeling and cleaning environments. At a recent robotics exhibition in Japan, MUGIN showcased an updated version of its advanced robot designed to handle goods of various types and sizes, capable of picking them from containers or conveyors. The robot uses MUGIN's proprietary 3D vision system, which accurately recognizes and processes a wide range of items, from boxes to bottles and flexible packages. The system can autonomously recognize over 300,000 different types of products, making it ideal for large warehouses. MUGIN robots can carefully place items into containers without damaging them, which is especially important when dealing with fragile products like electronics and pharmaceuticals. MUGIN robots are widely used in industries such as e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and warehousing, where automating sorting, packing, and order fulfillment processes helps increase efficiency. Wabian 2 is a humanoid robot developed at Waseda University in Japan to study human movement and create rehabilitation equipment. This robot can imitate human walking thanks to its flexible pelvis, legs with 6 degrees of freedom, and unique joints that allow it to perform full heel-to-toe movements. Wabian 2 is also used for testing rehabilitation equipment and can perform exercises alongside humans, aiding in the research of motor function recovery. The robot stands 148 centimeters tall, weighs 64 kilograms, and has a total of 41 degrees of freedom. Following upgrades to its design, Wabian 2 can now step in place, with each step taking just 0.6 seconds, which is the same amount of time as a human step. It's important to place this monumental project within the context of the global robotics race. Countries like Japan, the US, and China are all vying for dominance in robotics technology, and South Korea's new facility will undoubtedly raise the stakes. Japan, a longtime leader in industrial robotics, will now face serious competition. The US, with its AI expertise, will likely seek collaboration opportunities. Meanwhile, China, which has been rapidly scaling its robotics sector, will also be watching closely, perhaps intensifying its own developments to keep pace with South Korea. Challenges and opportunities. While the potential is immense, the challenges should not be overlooked. A factory of this scale requires a robust supply chain for raw materials, a steady stream of skilled labor, and cutting-edge R&D. It also must navigate ethical concerns around robotics and AI, especially when it comes to job displacement and privacy issues. On the other hand, the opportunities are endless. By addressing these challenges head-on, South Korea could emerge not only as a robotics powerhouse, but as a global leader in ethical AI, setting standards that influence tech policies worldwide. South Korea's first $100 billion robot factory represents more than just a massive investment in technology. It's the start of a new era where robots and humans work side by side, tackling the world's most pressing challenges. From improving productivity and healthcare to reshaping how we live our daily lives, the robots developed here will have an impact on every corner of the globe. In short, South Korea's audacious leap forward will forever change the world, bringing the future of robotics into the present and setting a precedent for how nations can drive global technological transformation. Keep an eye on South Korea, because the future of robotics starts here.